How's it going, pipe drivers? It's James from Pipedrive again, here to tell you what's improved with Pipedrive in the last month or so, just in case you missed it. And a lot of you will be real thrilled to know that you can now share your insights dashboards with your internal team. This means in real time, they'll be able to see your own dashboard in their own insights area. Pretty handy for sharing team successes and metrics with sales managers, for example, or even a colleague. In fact, for some people, it can actually be very motivating and inspiring to be able to see each other's dashboards and goal progression. Dashboards can be shared with multiple users or teams of users if you're using our Teams feature. And once shared, an email notification is sent out and a shared dashboards area is available where you can keep your dashboards neatly organized. Now, if you happen to be a member of our Pipedrive community, you'll now receive notifications whenever you get interactions in the community right inside of Pipedrive in the Sales Assistant area. You'll also now be able to receive notifications about product updates in the same area. Remember, you can always configure your notification settings in the Sales Assistant, but particularly for the community updates, you'll need to manage those preferences in the community itself. Now, when it comes to leads in your leads inbox, we've got several new treats for you. First of all, you can now finally import your leads while also importing your custom fields and notes for those leads. And speaking of notes for leads, you can also now add as many notes as you like to them. No limitations. You'll also see that your notes are now organized separately from your activities and emails, which we'll talk about in a second. But in each of these tabs, you'll find the details of the past notes and activities. But you can always pin a note to the top and it will remain regardless of which area you're exploring. Now let me ask you something. Do you hate sharing with people? Do you like to hide things a lot? Because there's now a default visibility grouping option for your leads. Just head on over to your Manage Users area to control the default visibility for all leads in your account. Remember though that this is just a default. You can always set an individual lead to an alternate visibility setting at any time. It's also important to remember that leads and deals alike are associated with contacts, so people and/or organizations, and therefore you want to consider the visibility of those contacts as well. It could be that the long-term contact information you keep in your contacts is vital to share with the rest of your team, but the contacts open lead that you have in your leads inbox that contains all the intricate details and notes and activities and such that's going on for that lead, maybe you'd rather have that for just your own eyes. Now let's talk about some improvements that we've made for you advanced users that are utilizing the sales inbox features. Because now you can send emails to your leads along with templates and tracking right from your leads inbox. And of course, any replies to the thread will be automatically tracked inside the lead, keeping you up to date on the latest conversation at all times. Remember though that if you do have a lot of leads and deals open for the same contact, you may need to head over to your sales inbox and make that association manually. And if you do want to disable this automatic email association entirely, you can do that inside your email sync settings. And hey, it's also here that you'll find another new improvement. You can now edit the name that will appear when you send emails from Pipedrive. Just so you know though, this feature is not available for Microsoft services as Microsoft servers don't allow the editing of the sender's name. You can use this feature, however, on Gmail and any other IMAP service, as long as the server allows it, of course. And hey, that wraps it up for this month's update, everybody. As always, we really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, pipe drivers.